good fans. I miss you and I love you. So today we have an awesome video today. Today we have the awesome video is, but I won't tell you now, because, drum roll please, because you have to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel down below, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos like this one. So now, like and share. So now, we'll begin in the video. Smash that subscribe button and smash that double time thumbs up button. So, yeah. So, today, drum roll, we have L.O.L surprise! If I can find it, where is it? Now, where is it? Where is it? It's right. Oh, there it is. It's right here. So this is the L.O.L surprise I was talking about. It's a sleepover set. It's called L.O.L surprise furniture. It comes with 10 surprises, and it comes in an exclusive doll inside. And it also has series 3. It has 10 surprises inside that you could collect. It's so much nursery fun. And this is what the top thing it says on it. It says, "Have a great day." And it also has, if your guide's in a different language, it doesn't know English, like any language, this is sometimes Spanish, English, like so much. You know what languages are this? But they're Spanish language. Same with the other side. Now this is all the set you can collect. It has 10 surprises, and it has so much things. You can get a tent. You can get a game board. You can get a teddy bear, and you can get a lamb if you go camping. And as you see right here, there's a sleeping bag, exclusive doll inside you can collect. And I don't know what it's this, but it looks like a popcorn, a bowl of popcorn. Yay! And it says L.O.L surprise. Series 3. Now let's get unboxing. Before we open this Smash and Rock and Toy, we are gonna 4 or 3 rules maybe 3. First one, subscribe my channel down below. Smash that thumbs up button. You name it. And the third one is press the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos like these. Especially this. Especially this. Again, I'm saying this. Especially this. It's so freaking cool. And the fourth one is go like and share. Look at the color. It's so glittery. It's blue, but whenever you shine it in the light, see, it's so blue. I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna shoot this. And look, this is there's also a pop-up set. There's a pop-up set that you can play with. Go with this sleepover set. So this is the pop-up set. Look at this. So 1 minute. So this is a pop-up set. Wow! Look at these. These are tons of surprises inside. And there's also a pop-up playset that you can play. Let me just move that inside. As you see right here, there's so fun accessories that you can play with. There's some 1 dot, 2 dots that you can connect. So let me connect this first. And if you want to pause this and you just want to see it because I'm going to do it fast forward, then feel free. Now, let me connect. So this is like a happy Halloween sleepover party. Right here. It's kind of hard. With one hand, it's kind of hard. But guys, it's kind of like an origami set. It's a play set that we can play with our surprises and our sets. So as you see right here, this is say 1 dot and also 1 dot here. Just connect it like that. And it's connected. And same with the other side. And same with the 2 dots. 2, they connect. Ta-da! This is our playset that we can play with. Woohoo! I'm so happy. We're rocking, we're stopping, we're rocking, we're stopping. Who's in the house? It is our mystery toy. Now we're gonna open the surprises right now. Woohoo! I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek what I've got, but I didn't open the surprises yet, but I'm just gonna show you the playset and all the blind bags. And we also figured out, and this is not 10 surprises, it's 12. How extravaganza is that? Now, let me show you a sneak peek. Enjoy! This is our playset. These are 12 surprises, and this is look at the colors. They're so extravaganza. The designs. What is your guys' favorite part? My favorite part is this. Look at the design. Look at the colors. I love these packaging. They're small and mini. And look at the sorry guys. Look at the stripes. They're balloons, stars, and they packed well done. Very protective because you never know. So maybe if we don't pack it right, it could break the accessory, our accessory that we got from the set. And the last favorite thing I very love is this set. Come on, guys. Isn't this your favorite part? Come on. Look at the designs. Look at the 4 sleeping bags, the pizza, the popcorn, soda, half pizza, a spooky party. It's a last Halloween party. It looks spooky enough to me. Look at the designs. This is rad. Seriously, so amazing. Look at this. Look at the stripes, design, cobwebs, spiders, balloon sides. Come on. This is like a miracle. And look at the pizza, the food. Some half popcorn fell and some didn't. It's so amazing. And look at the sleeping bags. The sleeping bags have different shapes, sizes, and different color and extravaganza fun. And look at the set. It has cupcakes. It's like a Halloween party sleepover. Can you imagine that? Do you ever have a Halloween party sleepover? I wonder. This is my one. Look at the food, your cups and plates, and your dresser, balloons, decoration bags. Oh, look at this. This is a can of soda. And right here is plates and cups and designs. There's a big pink cobweb and cups right there. And it has a cupcake stand. Make your own cupcake design. And it has a little window so you can see. And they're having a party. It's a sleepover, but it's the last century of Halloween sleepover. Ooh, I'm so sorry I'm scared you guys, but it's part of the fun. Don't be scared. If you have bad dreams of this, don't be scared at all. I'm telling you. And look at this. It has like a sign, creepy sign right here. It says right here, let me see. I am what you, wait, can you guys read that? I can't read that. I know what you did last winter. Ooh, it's giving chilies. Get it? Chilies? Because it's chilly these days. Now I'm going to open the surprises. Let's put that on the side so we can play with after the surprises. The first one is, I'm going to open the small one. Woohoo! Okay, now let's open it. The hands are amazing there. I just need that. Look at the pink scarf. It's so easy. I love it. Look at it. The eyes are closing. And look, this is very fun. Look. Right here, I'm going to put it. And it can also stand. It won't fall when you put it. It can also sit down. That's cool. So I'll put it here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot to show you the collector side before opening this surprise or any other surprises. This is the collector guide. So I will open all of it. I'm going to show you. We are going to follow the instruction, but basically it's nothing. It's just information. That's all. So yeah. A to Z. Let's put the instructions here. Anyway, time to open the second one. Oh wow, this is a game or a couch. Let's see. Yeah, it's a game. Let me just put the trash thing. Look at this. So this is a pink game board. Yeah, I think it's a pink game board. You can make your own bedroom, a game living room thing. So there's a pink top right here. And it has cute fabric, fabulicious designs and hearts. A breaking heart. Let's put it on a little bit there. Time for the third supply bag. We have another one. Wait, why could we have 2 bears? I don't know. Are we gonna have twins? The L.O.L dollhouse? I don't know. These are so weird. Anyway, let me just check inside of it. Nope. That's the 4th supply bag. Feels nothing. Feels some rubber. Oh wow! It's the L.O.L doll sleeping mask. So this is a spooky panda shape, I think. This is the sleeping mask when you go to sleep. And also see right here has a bow, so it has a dot right here and a dot right there. If you can see, very tiny. But if you connect this stick to the dot, then you just connect it. I'm very wobbly today. 1 minute. Okay, almost got it. There we go. See? There now. See? It's connected. Let's put it over here to our collection. Time for the 5th surprise. It feels so soft. I wonder if it's a blanket. It is! No, it's a pillow. sleeping bag. This is a spooky sleeping bag. It's very spooky. It has black on the back with some designs, very cool design. Rad. So get it? Rad. And now it's a panda bear, which is sleeping. And inside of it, it's pink diamond star signs. So let's put it there. Let's put our little panda bear to sleep now. Oh yeah, just to let you know, the bigger one is the last one. So we're gonna go from the end to the big one. Let's get this. Here's something hard now. What is this? Oh, it is a missing. Have you seen now? It looks like a milk juice box, or it could be a juice box. I don't know, but it's wow and incredible. I'll name it Casey the Juice. That's cool, right? Look at this. I got a squishy juice box, I think. I don't know, but it says missing. Have you seen now? It's so amazing! Thank you. And it has pink everywhere. Pink lids, pink designs, pink panda, pink everything. I'm gonna name it, if it's a milk, I'm just gonna name it Casey the Juice. Then they will actually do it. Let's put it here. Time for the next surprise. Ooh, what is this? Hunt. You need red. So this is a rat. Thank you for my acting. Thank you. Thank you. So this is a lizard. So as you see, these are very grabby on things like a candle and a black lid. And there's kind of like a leaf design, I think. And as a yellow chandelier. And also right here, if you zoom in, there's a pink design all over it. And for the next surprise, we're getting closer to the big one. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? I think this one's our tent. What do you guys think? Ooh! Oh, scary. The amazing and magnificent scary popcorn. Ta-da! It's a scary popcorn. So it has a creepy pumpkin face. And right here, as you see, this popcorn feels real. And the sea is so realistic. I feel hungry because of hearing popcorn. Seriously, does anybody here hungry? I don't know, let's put it here. Popcorn. And there's something inside. Nope, it's not, it's trash. Oh, we're getting even closer. I feel something gentle. Could it be another bottle because we have two panda bears? Or could we have a twin? Look at this outfit. Seriously. This is a black dress, and it has spooky, creepy bones that we're eating. Anyway, let's put our little outfit here for our little figure. Hey guys, I think this is our doll. Could it be it? Could it be this doll? Or could it be an accessory? Let's find out. Watch carefully. It's our doll! This is, oh my god. Does she have gymnastics? Oh, there we go. This is our little L.O.L doll. Her name is Spooky Bones. That's why she has a spooky outfit of a dress of Let's put our little finger here on the sleeping mat. But why? I wonder, why does she have two teddy bears? Could it be for her friend? I wonder. What's one trash? Could it be something else? Now it feels so hard to like stop. These are her little pajama shoes. These are her flip-flops that she could wear in her bedroom or her living room, wherever she's partying. So these are pink shoes, pink flats. You can say either way. I'll say pink flats. These are bunny ones. We have come to the biggest surprise! I'm getting hot now. Now let's open! Tear, 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 tear! Shout! Tear, 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 tear! Oh, is it even packaged? What is this? Oh, well, baby, can you see my love? We need scissors for this. Or we can just use it from our hands. Look at this. This is a tent. Look at this cute tent. I'm just going to take off this cardboard. Now let me just take it off like that. Like that. Like that. Look, a pile of garbage. So much money. Oh my god. This is our little tent. So we can put our sleeping mat. Look at this tent. It's stylish and nice actually. It's not spooky. It's not It's medium and just right. It's awesome. It's not like one of these spooky designs. It's kind of nice. You know, it's like a pink design. Look at this pink tent. It's so glamorous, more than the other spooky ones. But this is actually nice. It's pink. It has a black design and stripes right there also, and it has a pink roll card. Kind of sad, but it works. Look at this. Woo! I don't know what these hooks for. Maybe you could add like an extra cover to make it even longer. I don't know. So now I'm gonna show you a sneak peek what I've got so far. And this is Spooky Bones, our little L.O.L doll. So I will show you everything. Look at this. Look at her makeup. Spooky Bones has incredible blue hair and her little hair dripping right here. Same the other side. She has beautiful blue bell eyes. Look at her eyeliner and her makeup, big jumbo eyes, and look at her pink lip and her brown eyes. Right now we're gonna dress her, but right now she's not fully dressed. So the next one we have Spooky. Look at this. This is the lantern we have so far. This is here. This has a beautiful design on it. It has a kind of like a yellow mid color for the lantern, and it has pink designs, and it has a pink candle. See? If you go hunting in the woods. Or maybe this could be a trick-or-treat basket because it is Halloween. Set. That's perfect. We got a popcorn. We got popcorn right here. So this is a creepy face, and this is a popcorn bowl. So whenever they're watching a scary movie, they could eat popcorn with it because movie and popcorn goes along together. This is Spooky Bones Sweet Mask. This is Spooky Bones Cakey Juice. I named that. You don't have to name it, but you can name it. Oops. You can name it. We have duplicate panda bears. I don't know why we got this, but it could be a mix-up. We have duplicate panda bears. Sorry. My files. They're really cute. Especially with duplicate. Let me just organize this. My face is getting dirty. And right here we have Spooky Bones little pink shoes. Her flats, so she can wear them in her bedroom. They are bunny shoes. You can also wear them in the daytime, but I prefer them in the night. See? Let me sit them right here. Perfect. Let's put them here on the side. Then we have Spooky Bones outfits. Look at this Spooky Bones night suit. It's a bones right here. It's right here. You see this pink right here? That's her heart. These are her lungs. And I don't know what it's at, but it's a black dress. So it's basically awesome. This is her sleeping bag, so you can put it inside the tent. And this is, I don't know, what is this? But it could be a hockey table, I think. I'll just call that for now. And now we got our tent. Now I'm gonna place everything on here and I'm done with the clothes, guys. Now I'm gonna introduce you to her hair and her clothes. As you see right here, that pink thing, this is her heart. These are her lungs. Lungs are very important for your breath. Lungs is the most important thing that you live. If you don't have lungs, you don't die. But if you do have lungs in your heart, you have lungs. So this is her body. This is her body dress, and these are her flip-flops. Amazing! Yay, yay! So now I'm gonna set up the accessories that we got for the playset. So you can add some here. Perfect. You can add the sleeping bag here. Yay! Awesome. Then we're gonna add the hockey table here, or wherever it is. Then we can add our it's rolling right now. Then we can add all the food here that we got. Let's add the spot, then the Spooky Box popcorn, then the teddy bear inside her bag, her sleeping bag, then her sleeping mask. Now I have a surprise for you guys. So as you know, it only came with one set, right? But today, I have a doll. Her name is Good Cheerleader Stephanie Einstein. She didn't have a name when I got her. She's a little doll also. But I just named her that. Good Cheerleader Stephanie Einstein. And so, did you even realize she's a cheerleader? Look at her clothes. Look at her shirt. And look at her pink sparkly boots. Look at her hair. She's rocking, she's stopped, she's on the party. Woohoo! Who's the DJ? Cheerleader Einstein. I know that's nice. So Spooky Bones and Cheerleader, Spooky Bones and Go Cheerleader, Stephanie Einstein are besties. So, hey Cheerleader and Go FSD. Thank you for coming to my sleepover haunted Halloween party. Oh, you're welcome. Ciao. Wait, that's a high ciao, right? Yes. I got a surprise for you. It's duplicate. Duplicate what? Listen, I got a duplicate bear for you. I have the same thing too. I love this panda. Thanks. Let's go to my bedroom. Let's go upstairs. We're into my bedroom. Oh wow. Yeah, let's lay down first. Yeah. So, why did you enjoy the sleepover? You couple watching us and eating pizza. So sorry. Oh yeah, totes. It's amazing. It's haunted and spooky. And I love what you did for the decorations. Thank you. It's so amazing. Hey, this chit-chatting is getting boring. Do you want to have a real haunted fun party? Yes, please. Let's have a haunted dance spooky party. Dance party! Can you turn on the lights? Na 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 na. Woo! This is so fun! I'm gonna do a flip. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Failed, but it's fine. Yay! This is so fun! I love when you come over here. I love when you're friends with me. I love you too. Because we are friends forever, and that we're besties too. It's no problem. I'm always free at Fridays. Yeah, because it's Friday and no school. I love that part. Yeah. All this eating and tiring made me tired and sleepy. Ooh, I'm falling in the ground. Me too. Good night. Good night, sleepy bones. Already? Ghost! Make sure you subscribe to Inayah channel because it's so wonderful, like we are. Yeah, she's our superstar. Please subscribe to her channel. Give us a big like and share. Smash that subscribe button and thumbs up button. Was she just talking with the fans? Sorry guys. So happy. Wait a minute. Oh! Am I on camera? Oh yeah, I'm making a video. This is not time for sleeping. It's time for working, making videos. Okay, I'm waiting. Today, you saw I played with this fun set. Oh, guys. We played that. We played so much fun accessories. Then, the sleepover party. Right now, the whole video. They're so lazy that they're sleeping. And now... we can give me some... Not really, okay? That's just my motto. Smash that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up button. Please smash that thumbs up button and like and share. Like and share. And press the notification bell to know. And then there's gonna be so much more videos. L.O.L Omg, L.O.L Omg, and Princess Disney Cavalcade. Bloom, a baby born surprise, headed to her eyes. I love you so much, guys. I'm gonna play with this every day. Maybe an hour, maybe a dozen hours, maybe forever, maybe all day. I don't know. Stay tuned. And there's gonna be so much more videos. There's gonna be so much more good review toys. A lot of more opening reviews. Come on, guys. If you want to see exciting spooky toys, you name it. Go to Inayah's Fun channel. Not Inayah's Fun, no channel. So yeah. Ooh, I love you guys. I love you, friends. And please take care and please stay at home. I repeat that. Please stay at home. Please stay at home, guys, okay? And it's very cool that if you go out to school in person, use it sometimes for 4, 5, 10 times. It doesn't matter. So just